Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical perspective for 23 till 24 September. So let's begin. At the end of the video you would know what trading opportunities are present in the market and whether we are bearish or bullish. So do watch the video till end. So let's begin. Now currently what we can analyze is that the market is making a bearish momentum which have entered recently in the market from some around 1958, and we have seen a lower low of some around 1973. Moreover, going further in the market, we can analyze a prominent divergence being formed, which is bullish, a regular bullish divergence, as the market is making a lower low from some around, let me first change its color to blue. So the market is making a lower low from some around 1982 till some around 1880 till some around 1873. And coming on the RSI, we can see that the market for the RSI is making an higher low. This suggests us that we are currently seeing a divergence which is known as regular bullish divergence. Thus, the theory of this regular bullish divergence suggests us that whenever this kind of divergence occur in the market, we can either expect a trend reversal or the market could continue its or the market could go against its prevailing trend. So as we have seen, the current prevailing trend in the market for the gold is in bearish. Now what I am expecting is that we are expecting more bullish momentum entering in the market, and this would be a great opportunity to go long according to this divergence which we have seen in 1 hourly chart. Moreover, we can also spot this divergence on a 4 hourly chart, giving us more clear signal. Here going on, here we can see that the market is making a lower low, however the indicator is continuously making a higher low momentum. Going on in 1 hourly chart again. Now on the basis of this particular divergence, which is regular bullish divergence, our trading opportunities would be reflect from this particular divergence being occurred in the market. Thus, we would be more into looking for longs for the market for the gold, and now we would particularly draw up the support and resistance zones, and this would indicate where we should trigger our long position for the gold and where our take profits should be placed, or where our stop losses should be placed. So first we would draw a support zone which is from some around 1869 till some around 1875. This is the support zone as going previously in the market from some around 12 August. We did see that the market did retest this particular area, and we have seen a high momentum entering in the market within a range of some around 12 August till some around 18 August, which means in a range of 6 to 7 days, working days, we have seen a momentum of market trending from some around 1874 till some around 2000, which means we have seen an more than 100 points momentum entering in the market within few days, around 7 days, within 7 days. Now coming on to the resistance zone, where would be our resistance zone? Thus our resistance zone could be placed some around 1926 till some around 1919. Now analyzing this particular resistance zone, going into the past, stretching this particular zone. Now here what we can particularly analyze is that on 12 August we did see that the market did retest from this particular support zone, which have now turned into a resistance zone. On 20 August, we did see the market retraced on 20 August again, then on 21st August, then on 5th August, then now and recently some around 4 September, on 8 September, we did see that the market did retest from this particular area. Now what we can recently see is that the market has break through this particular resistance zone of some around 1927 till some around 1922. This indicate that this is a major resistance zone, and the range which we have drawn of support is some around 1975 till some around 1986. 1969. This indicates us that it is a major support and major resistance zones are both drawn on the screen. Now coming on the trading opportunities, where we would be looking for going long on the market for the gold is that here we can draw a resistance trend line, and this would be an support trend line. Now what we can particularly analyze is that we can go for a long position on a breakout of this particular resistance zone. Thus our entry trigger point would be some around 1899, with our stop losses just placed below some around 1884, with our take profit of this particular resistance zone which we have analyzed in the past to call the previous part of the video too, which is some around 1922. This trade will give an risk reward of in total 1:1.69. Now coming on the bearish scenario is that if we see a breakout or a candle close below some around 1965 or some around 1980, this will indicate us that we can further see a bearish momentum entering in the market. Thus, if we see a candle close below some around 1869, this would be a great opportunity to go short, with our stop losses would be placed near some around 1874, with our take profit of some around 1849. This trade will give a next reward of approx 1:2.2. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.